It's your turn. You can do it. Do you think mathematics is important in our life, amigo?
Uh, Mathematics is important in our life so we can measure things like this building, like that, and to measure land.
Very good. Very good. Yeah, no? Mathematics is of course important in our lives because it helps. What else? What are other reasons why mathematics is important in our life, Corteza? Okay, Corteza. Okay. Mathematics will help you get a job. Uh-huh, that's good, but I want you to elaborate your answer.
I will get job with accountancy, and the mathematics will can help me to get